Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some of the effects on your Instagram story. Let's dive into it. So we're going to search. And ooh, yeah. I mean, there are so many here that you can use. I used this newspaper background the other day. I love this one. Yeah, let's try it. And when you tap on the screen, it changes, and when you're done, when you pick a favorite, you can just click the middle like you're taking a picture. And yeah, add your media. Yeah, there you go. You can resize it, you can put it there. That's on this episode of Instagram Stories Effect. I'll show you some more some other time. Bye. Follow me for more.